It was once thought impossible, but India has made a landmark achievement of becoming a polio-free nation. Celebrations are obvious. India was once considered the epicenter of the crippling disease, but with concerted efforts by the central and state governments, it has not registered a single polio case for the last 3 years. President Pranab Mukherjee, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, Union Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad, Leader of Opposition Sushma Swaraj all said in one voice that the success is a cause for celebration but not complacency.
This victory of humanity. Disease and virus have no border. They do not require any passport or visa to enter into any region. Therefore, our objective and achievement should be to create a polio-free world.
It is now our duty to follow the path laid by this program in other areas. In particular, we should try and deliver life-saving vaccines to every child across the length and breadth of our country. Even the remotest of corners of our country should achieve full immunization of all children against preventable diseases. That's our goal.
Today, no woman, no family has to bear this painful burden. The program has been an extraordinary success. In scope and reach, it has been unmatched by any health program in the world. It has reached every child across the length and breadth of our land and finally rid our country of this ancient and crippling scourge.
आज के दिन आपको ये सौभाग्य प्रदान करने वाले उन तमाम स्वास्थ्य मंत्रियों को मैं याद करना चाहूंगी जिन्होंने हमेशा इस कार्यक्रम को अपनी प्राथमिकता पर रखा। भारत सरकार के हर उस वित्त मंत्री को याद करना चाहूंगी जिसने इस कार्यक्रम के लिए राशि आवंटित करते हुए कभी हाथ नहीं खींचा।
India got full assistance from WHO, Rotary International, UNICEF, non-governmental organizations in this drive against polio. Union Health Minister credited 23 lakh health workers, including ASHA workers, ANM, Anganwadi workers, religious leaders, social institutions, media, and several famous personalities for the victory.
हमने किसी किस्म की कोल्ड चेन में कमी आने नहीं दी, पैसे की कमी, वैक्सीन की कमी को महसूस नहीं होने दिया और कहीं दूसरे देशों से हमारे बॉर्डर में ना आई है। इसलिए जो हमारे इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर्स उनमें 102 इस तरह के बूथ्स बनाए गए जहां अगर विदेश से भी कोई बच्चा आता था तो उसको हमारे लोग वैक्सीनेट करते थे, इम्यूनाइज करते थे।
India overcame huge challenges with a strong commitment that matched allocations of around 15,000 crore rupees over the years in its war against polio. But it still isn't time to rest. The government needs to boost its routine immunization program and implement innovative strategies to ensure that every child, even in the remotest corner of the country, is protected against polio. With Jyotika Grover, Nitendra Singh's report, DD News.